Hi, my name is Steve from Kids Club, and today I'll be showing you how to make banana oatmeal cookies. In order to make the banana oatmeal cookies, you'll need two ingredients, and that would be the Quaker oats and bananas. So right now I already prepped 1.5 cups of the oats, and I have 4 small bananas, but you can use 2 regular sized bananas. And I have a mixing bowl, and you'll need a fork and an oil pan. So I already used a fork to mash up my bananas, and I'm going to be pouring it into my mixing bowl. And I'm gonna add the 1.5 cup of oats, and then I'm gonna mix it with my hands. After mixing, create a palm-sized cookie. Just roll it around like this on your palm and place it onto the pan. And I believe we can make about 6 or 8 of these. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and the cookies will be baking for 12 minutes long. Remove the cookies from the oven after 12 minutes, and I let it cool off for about 10 minutes. And now I'll be transferring the cookies onto a plate. And there you have it, banana oatmeal cookies in 12 minutes.